So on most days, I love the internet for recipe inspiration. But then on other days, it just throws the most absurd and weird recipes at you, which makes you go, why? And today I pulled out these weird recipes from the internet like Oreo Maggie and mango burger and ramen ice cream bars to test them in my kitchen and to find out if they make any sense at all. Let's get started. So the first recipe जो मैं try कर रहा हूँ is a mango burger and if this sounds weird to you, trust me, it gets worse. तो इसमें basically instead of the buns, दो mango के slices use होते हैं to sandwich the entire burger. Instead of the cheese, इसमें बहुत creatively use किया गया है milky bar. तो मैंगो स्लाइस के ऊपर अब मैं डालने वाला हूँ एक पूरा मिल्की बार का बार और इस रेसिपी में टिक्की की जगह यूज़ किया गया है एक चोको पाई. आई फील लाइक इस रेसिपी को सोचना इज गट्स, इसको बनाकर इंटरनेट पे डालना इज गट्स ऑन गट्स एंड जो मैं कर रहा हूँ इसको एक्चुअली खाना इज गट्स ऑन गट्स ऑन गट्स. एंड केचप की जगह इसमें यूज़ किया गया है हर्शीज़ का चॉकलेट सिरप. सो काफ़ी जेनरसली हम इस पर डालेंगे अब चॉकलेट सिरप. काफी मेसी बर्गर है. इज इट वियर्ड कि मुझे इतना बुरा नहीं लगा जितना बुरा मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे लगेगा. I don't mind this, to be honest. Like, I'm blown away right now because I thought I'll start this video with the weirdest recipe. But ये इतना बुरा नहीं है. मतलब it's obviously not amazing, but it's not bad. Mind blown. So इस रेसिपी को I'll rate 5 out of 10 because ये जितना गंदा साउंड करता है ये इतना गंदा टेस्ट नहीं करता. It most definitely is extremely sweet. So it's like आपने खाया है and it's just like all the sugar hits you. But it's not that bad. But फिर भी try मत करना please. जो next recipe मैं try कर रहा हूँ उस पर तो I've taken major personal offense because उसमें मैगी एंड ओरियोज दोनों को साथ में अटैक किया गया है by making an Oreo Maggie. Now again just sounds extremely absurd and unnecessary but हम फिर भी try करने वाले हैं. So I'm going to add some water into my pan and इसमें 1 packet of Maggi. And while our Maggi is cooking, we need to crush some Oreos. तो छोटा पैकेट लिया गया है रेसिपी में, which is what I'm also using. And then another gutsy move of adding the crushed Oreos into the Maggi. Oh God! I can't believe I'm actually making this in my kitchen. बहुत डर लग रहा है. I think this has to be the weirdest combination that I've ever tried. Let's go for it. Oh God. Disgusting. Thank you for ruining both my favorites, Maggi and Oreo. It's like आप ओरियो खा रहे हो बट आपको टेक्सचर मैगी का आ रहा है और आप टेक्सचर मैगी का है बट आपको फ्लेवर ओरियो का आ रहा है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक द वर्स्ट क्रॉस ओवर एवर. आई गिव दिस रेसिपी a -1 and I'm sad now. The next recipe that I'm testing is honestly the least absurd out of all the recipes. इसमें मोनाको बिस्किट जो कि सॉल्टी होते हैं उसके ऊपर स्प्रेड किया गया है पीनट बटर, a big dollop of peanut butter. एंड इस पर दूसरा मोनाको बिस्किट सैंडविच करके वी नीड टू ड्रॉप इट इन मेल्टेड चॉकलेट. बेसिकली कवर इट विद सम चॉकलेट. एंड इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे चॉकलेट स्प्रिंकल्स. आई एम एक्चुअली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस वन बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक इट. Yum. It's yum because it's got like a little salty this thing going on with the Monaco. There's a nice crunch. There's chocolate of course, which goes very well with peanut butter. So I don't mind having this at all. It's actually a good, like quick, easy to put together snack. And this gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Our next recipe is a ramen ice cream sandwich. Two things that I never thought I'll eat together. So basically, ramen के two slabs के बीच में we are going to sandwich some ice cream. And now I know that a lot of people eat kacha Maggi and noodles, but I've never eaten it because just the thought of it is really for me. But I'm going to do it today just for you guys because I love you so much. I really don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Matlab, yeah. But I'm thinking that I don't mind eating raw noodles that much. It's fine. It's not as bad as I thought. But with ice cream, of course, yuck. And recipe mein, for double guts, we're also going to add the seasoning mix and then take a bite. I'm going to be generous with it. Oh, not so bad with the masala. I can actually finish this. So like I've been mind blown. Now this is another recipe, and jitna I'm eating it, I'm actually starting to like it. It grows in you, and it's just like it's nice. It's nice. It's a good snack. You guys could actually try this recipe out. It's just thoda sa starting with feels weird because you bite into it and it's thanda, really, but it's yum. It's a good dessert. Chalo, cheers, guys. To ice cream ramen sandwich. I'm gonna give it like a surprising 10 on 10. So honestly, जितना मैंने सोचा था कि मेरा बुरा दिन जाएगा, उतना मेरा दिन बुरा नहीं गया because a couple of recipes actually exceeded expectations, especially the ice cream ramen sandwich, yum, and the mango burger, not yum but not bad. Monaco वाला मुझे actually काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. And और क्या बनाया था हमने? Oreo Maggi तो मतलब that's like the only thing that I really hated. But rest everything was actually not that bad. तो जितना मैं सोचता था कि जो really weird, absurd recipes है, maybe some of them aren't actually that bad. Let me know in the comments कौन सी recipe से तो आप most definitely दूर रहोगे and which one are you going to have the guts to try. Let me also know in case you guys want me to do more of these videos on my YouTube channel. I'd not love to, but I don't mind trying out these weird recipes in my kitchen and bring them to you. I'll see you guys next week with more videos. Until then, happy baking.